Hello. In this video, I want to talk about what happens if you have a mechanical pencil and it gets jammed. Right here, I have a Faber Castelle. It's a 0.35 one, and sometimes it gets jammed, and it rarely happens. Let me see. You know what? It's a bit retracted in right now, but usually this thing is out a little bit more. And if you look on it, and it's really hard for my camera to focus on because it can't tell what is important. I'm really sorry about the quality. I really wish, well, I guess if I hold it further. But basically, there's like a little slot, and if you look at the lead, it should be in the center. If it's not in the center, it's probably like caught on the edge. There's like an area where the plastic is a bit, there's like a gap. It's kind of like cut just the way it's manufactured. And I've realized sometimes it will get caught there. So it's really hard to get that because sometimes I have other pencils, but using another pencil lead is really not the best idea. I tried it and I actually ended up getting more lead jammed in the slot area. So I was like, wow, this is really bad. What I had to do instead is I have this is from when I was in middle school, but everyone had to take a sewing class. Useful, but tangent. So what I did was I took one of these sewing needles, and well, I don't think it's a sewing needle, but it's just a needle. And basically what I did was I was able to fit it in the slot to unjam the lead. And yeah, I would really recommend these types of sewing needles. They have a ball at the end. I can't remember the name of it, but just know, highly recommend that. I mean, so you can't like poke yourself, and you could basically shove it and get the lead unjammed. But yeah, that's what I would do for that. Yeah, this is something I definitely am keeping in my drawing art toolkit. You know, I was quite amazed that I finally had a use for this after, wow, so many years. It's been a long time. But yeah, I'm really glad that I was able to unjam it. So yeah, the thing is, the cap does screw off. Oops, I did not mean to drop that. Yeah, it does screw off, and you could easily screw it back on. But yeah, it's like this this thing that won't focus. But yeah, this thing will that's how you do it. But yeah, thanks for listening. If you have a question, please ask in the comments. If you like the video, please like it. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.